Next is to reduce equations into simpler forms. Now there is no such simpler form, but this topic is only for such questions where you are not able to identify which operation you have to apply first and which will be the next one. So here I would suggest you to do, this is my personal method, you do the left hand side and right hand side part separately. So I call it left hand side and right hand side method. Now I'll be taking the first example. Okay, we take the left hand side of the first example, that is 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. We will solve the left hand side of the equation first, then we will solve the right hand side of the equation. Okay, what does this becomes? We take the LCM 3, this remains 6x plus 1, this has a denominator 1. So what is 1 getting multiplied to become 3? 3. 3 into 1, 3. So this becomes 6x plus 4 upon 3. Now this is the left hand side of the equation. Let us try now the right hand side of the equation. The right hand side of the equation says x minus 3 upon 6. Now see, you cannot actually apply any other operation into it because it is in the simplest form. So what we do now, we simply equate the left hand side with the right hand side. That is, the left hand side was 6x plus 4 over 3 equal to x minus 3 over 6. Now this is the equation. Now this complicated equation which you were seeing earlier has been transformed into this equation. Now this equation can be solved with the method we have discussed, that was cross multiplication. This, so this becomes 6 into 6x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 3. Simple solving, 6 into 6x, 36x plus 6 into 4, 24. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now 3x minus 3x equals to minus 9 minus 24. 3x, 36x minus 3x becomes 6x equal to minus 33. Very sorry. 36x minus 3 becomes 33x. So here the x will come out to be minus 33 over 33. 33 and 33 gets cancelled by 1. What is minus 1 over 1? Minus 1 only. So x comes out to be minus 1. That's how we solve the equation. Now just for your easy purpose, I am taking another example also. We'll do the same thing. We will solve the left hand side of the second equation first. Now what is the left hand side of the second equation? It is 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7. Right? Now we will solve the brackets first. Minus 2 into 2x becomes 4x. Minus into minus becomes plus. 2 sevens is 14. So 5x minus 4x is x plus 14. This is the left hand side of the equation. The right hand side would solve this way. The right hand side of the equation is 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 upon 2. Now again we will open the brackets first. 6x minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. We take the LCM. This becomes, what is the LCM? 2. What should we multiply 1 such with, so it becomes 2. It should be multiplied with 2 because 1 2s is 2. So that 2 into 6x becomes 12x minus, again what should 1 be multiplied with to become 2? 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 1s is 2, 1 into 7, 7. So this becomes 12x plus 3 over 2. The minus 4 plus 7 becomes plus 3. Now this is my right hand side. What is the next step? We equate them both. The left hand side equal to the right hand side. The left hand side was x plus 14 and the right hand side is 12x plus 3 over 2. Now we have nothing here in the denominator, so we can take it as 1. I have discussed it. When we have nothing written in the denominator, that means the denominator is equal to 1. So now we'll doing the same. That is the cross multiplication method. 2 into x plus 14 is equal to 1 into 12x plus 3. This becomes 2x plus 28 and 12x plus 3. Now taking all the x terms to one side and all the constant terms to the other side, we are left with minus 10x equal to minus 25. Now x is equal to minus 25 over minus 10. The minus and minus becomes plus, gets cancelled with 5. So we are left with x is equal to 5 over 2. Right?